Hello guys, inay vlogs na. Machines have been used ancient times. People have been challenged ever since to develop machines that will make work lighter and less difficult. Machines are not only seen in factories, they can be found everywhere in your home. The utensils your mother uses when she cooks are considered simple machines. Your school supplies like your scissors, sharpener, and even your pencil are also simple machines. A playground like the quotation above has quite a number of simple machines. The seesaw, swings, and slides are also simple machines. There are 6 simple machines: the lever, wheel, and axle incline. These machines have a variety of functions, but the common things about them, they make our tasks easier. This chapter. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. I love you all.